Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to send an ACH payment with Chase Bank in 2025. If you've ever wondered how to transfer money electronically without the hassle of checks or wires, ACH payments are your go-to option. They're secure, cost-effective, and perfect for bills, refunds, or splitting costs with friends. By the end of this video, you'll be sending payments like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Chase Bank account set up. If you don't, head over to the Chase website or app and create one. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. This is usually found on the dashboard or in the menu. Pro tip: use the mobile app for a smoother experience, as it's optimized for 2025's latest updates. Now, Step 1. Select ACH payment or electronic transfer from the options. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details. This includes their bank's routing number, account number, and the amount you want to send. Double-check everything here to avoid any hiccups. Mistakes can delay your transfer. Step 2. Choose the transfer date. ACH payments can be scheduled for immediate processing or set for a future date, which is great for timing your finances. In 2025, Chase has made this even easier with smart suggestions based on your payment history. After that, review the transaction summary. This will show you the fees, if any. ACH is often free for standard transfers, the expected arrival time, and any confirmation codes. Hit Confirm to finalize. You'll get an email or app notification once it's sent. Finally, keep an eye on your account for confirmation. ACH payments typically take 1 to 3 business days, but with Chase's 2025 enhancements, you might see faster processing. If something goes wrong, Chase's customer support is top-notch. Just use the chat feature in the app. There you have it. Sending an ACH payment with Chase Bank is straightforward and secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay savvy out there. See you next time.